All right, kid, here we are, the Hotel St. Louis, room 913. Let's take a tour. So first of all, I'll say that I have no idea what this room is called. My first one, I booked a regular 2-queen, and they upgraded me to this suite. So I'm not sure what the name of this suite is, but it's room 913. Here we are. So 2-room suite. First room here does have a nice big couch with a sofa sleeper. There was some kind of a dog in here. So, yeah, that's kind of gross. But, yeah, so there was a dog in here. First room that I went into that they gave me was not actually cleaned. It was in the system as cleaned, but wasn't cleaned, so that's why they upgraded me to this one. So some things they're working out here, but I think it's a pretty new hotel. But let's take a look inside of this cupboard here. We have a coffee maker. So it is a Keurig or some kind of a knockoff brand, I guess. They do have their own branded coffees and tea, and then a mini fridge in here. So that is that. Desk-wise, does have a lamp and then some outlets. TV is a good size. The picture quality is not top of the line. I mean, now granted, this is Jurassic Park, so it's an old movie. I wouldn't expect that. But if you go into the bedroom, you'll see the same thing. So we'll go on in. Here we do have, I'll start with the thermostat. So it has a bunch of different things that you can do. I did not mess around with any of that. Here we are, the TV. This one does look better. Still not the crispest picture, but I think that might actually just be the service. I don't know. Does have a record player. Have no idea if it works. They do have records. So again, not sure if it works or if that's just for decoration. Here inside, we do have an in-room safe and then a couple of drawers to put your stuff in. So we'll take a look here at the outside, the view from the room. I don't know how much you can see with this glare. I don't think much, but we'll get more of the view later. Going into the bathroom, we do have a TV. So when I first walked in here, I said, why do we have a remote in the bathroom, and did not see the TV. So did turn that on just to give us something, show you what it was like. Does have audio too. So there's that. If we look here in the shower, pretty clean place. What you would expect from something that seems pretty new. Shower head does have a detachable wand. The body wash, shampoo, and conditioner are all individually branded as well. And then the bathroom, we do have here on the toilet, we have a bidet. So it does have the jets for the front and the back, as well as a dryer and then pressure levels. So I don't know, I'm kind of intimidated by that. And then we do have makeup remover, bar soap, and then some Hotel St. Louis branded lotion. Going on into the bedroom here. Closet. Does come, no iron, but does have a steamer. So I thought that was an interesting touch here as well. And then this suite does have a balcony. So we can go out here, and so this is where I was saying that we can see the view. So here we are, downtown St. Louis. I don't even see my car down there, but that is the valet lot. I could not find a good place to park. There's doing some construction across the street, but anyway. So downtown St. Louis. Here, this is the Hotel St. Louis. So until next time, Kim.